The company, MAINA Organi di Trasmissione S.p.A., was founded in 1886 by Carlo Maina, and it is still controlled by the same family, which has now reached its fourth generation. After starting out as producers of analogical machinery and instruments, dedicated to local needs, it rapidly increased its own productive horizons, from the motorization of the new industrial plants to the building of systems for material handling, tool-making machines, and whatever else has an affinity with automation, concentrating its own interests more and more in the field of power transmission equipment. This vocation brought the company over the years to its present high level of specialization in this specific field. Today, MAINA S.p.A., known all over the world, is capable of designing, manufacturing and commercializing mechanical components for power transmission of large dimensions and very high quality. The range of products, whose weight can vary from a few kilos to several tons, is represented by crowned gear flexible couplings, universal shafts, fixed and telescopic gear spindles, manufactured in all the possible typologies and technologies. Since 1994, its structure and its operating procedures have been certified by Det Norska Veritas in accordance with UNI EN ISO 9001 standards. The most challenging of MAINA's products are made for the fields of both hot and cold steel mills. So as to obtain better and better performances both in terms of duration and resistance to loads and high temperatures, these products are continually updated in collaboration with plant manufacturing engineers and maintenance managers. An always deeper and up-to-date technical knowledge of the plants and the operation of gear couplings, universal shafts and gear spindles permits us to offer our clients the necessary assistance in resolving any type of problem relative to the power transmission. Our engineering department uses a system of bidimensional and tridimensional CAD design. The projects are elaborated for future modifications of existing models and their base parameters so as to guarantee the functional characteristics and the nominal load capacity of the products. Structural calculation checks are carried out by a specific CAD 3D station fitted with final element modeling. The reliability of the final result is guaranteed by an accurate knowledge of the production process and by the possibility of a correct control and management in all its phases. Precise and punctual controls are carried out from when the raw materials arrive through the various working phases: assembling, balancing, anti-corrosive protection, and then packaging and shipping. The tool-making machines are exclusively of the CNC type, with automatic tool changes. A CAD-CAM 3D system, starting from the 3D files of the drawings, elaborates the operating programs for the CNC machines. Large dimension items can be turned on a vertical turning lathe, equipped with electromandrels for inner grinding, while long length shafts can be turned on a parallel lathe equipped with a device for deep drilling. The boring process is carried out both on a turnable upright machine equipped with a rotor translating table with a horizontal mandrel, on a fixed upright palletized machine, and also on a fixed upright machine with a 5-station unit and a vertical horizontal universal mandrel. In the toothing department, there are numerous inner and outer gear cutters, as well as a special vertical gear cutting machine for toothing shafts up to a length of 2.8 meters. So as to obtain very high precision, special steel gears with a high degree of surface hardness are ground on 2 special machines equipped with their own surveying and measuring instruments. In the robotized welding department, very high constant and quality special welding is produced. In the robotized center for the production of standard gear couplings, hubs and sleeves are produced in batches of thousands of items, starting from the hot-pressed raw materials. Every machine in this department is automated and interacts with its relative latest generation robot, carrying out all the pickup, placing, tool cleaning, locking, unloading and pieces palletization operations. MAINA works worldwide, and in a market where there are few qualified competitors, is able to offer the best possible solutions, concentrating on the quality of the product and the service with a reasonable price-performance relationship.